We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got...
Hey guys, I'm walking in the store. I don't have my mic on. Okay, she wants, what did I say? Shortcake. Strawberry shortcake. The little round ones. The cheap ones. See, those are Angel Foods, but no, that's not what she wants. She wants the little traditional round ones. I don't even know if they have them. I got a Yankee buggy. You look over here. Maybe they're in the fruit section. I'm not sure. I gotta get a snack though, you guys. I'm hungry. See? Strawberry shortcake. I don't know. I don't see them. Slightly, ooh, mango chili, wasabi, Caesar. Let's get these Caesar ones. I'll eat those. Those look good. And I need pretzels. Oh, it's 2 for $5. I'll get 2 of them. I need pretzels though. Okay, I'm looking for the strawberry shortcake. It doesn't say how much they are. What's the date on them? $4.99. Something 25th. All right, that's what she wants. Okay, and then I gotta get. They have whipped cream, but she likes Cool Whip, so I'm gonna get Cool Whip. I gotta find it though. Okay, we're going to get Cool Whip now. And bananas. We're gonna get some decent bananas too. We get bananas. Oh, right here. I can't see. Oh wait, because it's the other way around. Here we go. I'm gonna get this also. Cool Whip. I don't see Cool Whip. Oh, we need hot dog buns. Actually, I bought hot dogs and I forgot to buy hot dog buns. I just want like traditional hot dog buns, like these. Are these long ones though? Do they sell them? Traditional hot dog buns? I don't know. I'll just keep these. These are fine. Okay. And then Cool Whip. Where is it? Ice cream, desserts, toppings. Here we go. Okay. I'm looking for Cool Whip so I can get the heck out of here. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Here it is. Over here on the end. Okay, I'm going to get a small one. God, $4. Well, but the big one's $3.99. I'm just going to get the big one. I'm just going to get the big one. It's cheaper. It's on sale. Okay. Hi, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm actually outside. Can you believe it? I'm taking Bella for a walk. So I have the doctor at 8, I guess. So me and Bella are going to walk down to the grass and see if she'll go to the bathroom. My boys are on vacation, so she hasn't liked the bark out here. So I'm going to take her up to the garage and see if we have any better luck. So, yeah, it's a nice day. The weather's nice. It's about 75, maybe. 72, 73, something like that. So let's take Bella for a walk. Okay, you guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're now walking Bella. It's our second day of having her. Boys will be back tomorrow. I'm walking her up to the grass because she hates the bark. She's also smelling all these other dogs. So she's like, she's loving it. So I have the doctor at 8. I think I already said that. If I have time, after I go to the doctor, I'm going to stop by Home Goods. We need some soap dishes. And we need some garbage cans. Or my mom wants a garbage can, like a pretty decent one. So, decent size is what I mean. See, there's some grass up there. I guess there's a park down here. So hopefully it's allowed that she can go on this grass. I don't know. I don't really know the rules about having dogs because we're not allowed to have pets here, but we're only sitting her for like a day and a half. So she's really good though. She's not a chewer. She doesn't bother anybody. She doesn't bark. So I think all in all, it's been a pretty good stay. As soon as she goes, I'll turn her around and go to the other side. There's a little bit of grass on the other side. Maybe she'll go. Anyways, all right, you guys. So I'm just shy of about 29 to 30 days on keto. I won't lie, I'm struggling with getting my fat in. I seem to be leaning towards protein. This is chicken breast with cheese over it to get the fat and cucumbers. I don't like ranch, but that's all that's in the fridge, so I have to get out there or I need to order some Caesar, because Caesar's really just what I like. I don't care for ranch, but I'm gonna use it today. And then just cucumbers with some seasoning. I also am trying this everything bagel seasoning that everybody seems to be saying is fantastic. And so this is what I'm gonna have for dinner. So yeah, this is, when I don't really have a plan, I just kind of try to be creative. It's boring, but this is what I'm leaning towards. I don't have any, if I had bacon or something in the fat content, I would probably put bacon over the chicken, just so I could get the protein and the fat. But I've lost almost 11 pounds in 30 days. So I'm kind of hitting a little bit of a wall at this point, but this is where I am for now. So I'm kind of just randomly making this clip. I really haven't been filming all my meals like I did the first week. And now I'm in week 4. So, and this, I don't know, I'll probably incorporate a meal here or there moving forward. And then I'll sit down and kind of tell you guys, what my life has been like doing this. So right after I ate dinner, we had a grocery haul that was just a few things. So I put everything away and I organized the refrigerator. Do you ever do that? Do you ever just get on a whim where you just need to organize the refrigerator? So sometimes I do it when we get grocery hauls and sometimes I don't. But this day I organized all of the groceries. We only have a very narrow refrigerator. If you have one that has the double doors, then it's very narrow. So the second shelf we dedicate to drinks, and then the top and the bottom go for food. And then we have our veggie drawer and our fruit drawer. So this is what my refrigerator looked like on that day. It doesn't look like that right now, but on this day it looked mighty pretty. Okay, I'm now in the kitchen. I took a shower today. I just sprayed I let my hair air dry, and then I spray this stuff on it that I got from TJ Maxx, and it's supposed to give your hair volume. So we'll see. I colored it, as you can see. It's pretty black. I didn't realize how black it was going to be, but that's okay, because you could tell from my shirt how black it is. It's all right though, because I've been doing my hair black, girl, since I was 20 years old. Anyway, so I got to get on the doctor's appointment here at about, it's 4:22, so I have to get on the doctor's appointment at 4:45. I'm refilling my coffee because I had a late day. I was up till 4:30 this morning, and then I slept till 1, maybe 12:30, something like that. I took a shower, and now here I am. I'm wearing the Popeye shirt that was stained from Temu. I think I showed you that in the mirror just a moment ago. So that's what it looks like. And my new cup from Amazon, I'll link it below. Girl, this is so pretty. If you like blue, definitely grab yourself one of these, because I was in Home Goods the other day, a couple days ago, when I did my video on my main channel, and they didn't have this color. They had a sage this color, which I might go back and get the sage. I don't know, maybe I can go back on Amazon and see if they had a sage color of this one, but I don't think they did. That's why I chose blue, but it's so beautiful. Oh my God, this blue, you guys, is so pretty, isn't it? So pretty. I wish I had makeup on. I want to start getting better at putting makeup on. Everybody has makeup on all the time. Girl, your girl is old. She don't want to be putting makeup on. You'd think because I'm getting old that I'd be like, I'm not being caught, you know what, on camera without, you know what I mean? Okay, every day I wash this out. I need to get some ice for it though. I just washed it. I'm excited to drink out of it. I've been meaning to do that, but I had to make the video for it. I don't know what this piece goes to. I was looking at this piece. I don't know what it goes to, but I'm gonna wash the lid. I wake up sometimes and I just get depressed, like I'm not a good vlogger. I sound like a kid that just wants to fit in, you know what I mean? I always feel like that. Like, oh, you know, I'm not as good a vlogger as a lot of people I watch. But anyways, let me go ahead and pour a little bit of this coffee out because it's way too full. So I am getting my coffee ready. I'm gonna go get ice. I have to get the creamers and stuff and just read. This is the brand from Amazon that I bought the cup from. So maybe they want you to put it on your cup. I don't know. Anyways, and here's like the little thing that was inside of the cup. This is a really nice, it's a beautiful cup. It got like, this particular tumbler has like 15,000 reviews or something. I think we're good. This is, well, I think this cup is, or this tumbler, I keep saying cup, I'm sorry, I do that with mugs and I do that with tumblers. I just say cup, I don't know why, but I say it all the time and I don't mean to. But anyway, this is a tumbler. I believe it's, I think it's 60 ounces, but I could be wrong because I have a bunch of ice in here and I just poured a 16-ounce water bottle in here and it's kind of coming up to the top, but the majority of the cup, the majority of the tumbler is full of water, is full of ice, so. We'll see. I don't really want to use a straw right now. I brought one down, I think, but I don't really want to use that. I'm just going to drink out of it like it is. Doctors say don't drink out of a straw. So now my water's done. Now I just need to do my coffee. Bewitched muted because I play Bewitched during the day and then I play Love Boat at night just because I love Love Boat so much. I love that stupid show. Sumatra. Let's do Sumatra. Okay. Now we're getting ourselves together here because our doctor's appointment is in a few minutes. I'm gonna put a little bit more creamer in here. I wish I knew. All right, I put cinnamon in my coffee, and maybe how about some nutmeg today? Yeah, let's do nutmeg. I haven't had that in a long time. My pumpkin spice is there, but it's in the back. I'm gonna run upstairs, and then we're gonna run upstairs and get ready for the doctor. All right, I'm just whipping my coffee real quick to get it ready. Yeah, I just did 8 ounces. There we go. Okay, so I just refilled my cup up a little bit with coffee. I want to go to Marshall's. I need some more cups. I decided, mugs, not cups. I decided I want to go ahead and get some Easter cups. Mugs, not cups. I decided I want to get some more Easter mugs. I want to do Alice in Wonderland. I'm obsessed with Alice in Wonderland right now, so I think I want to do that. I want to go on Temu too and get some more Alice in Wonderland t-shirts. I need to order some more. We need bananas. I need to order some more bananas. Okay, so I'm all set. I'm going to take my banana upstairs. I'm not going to use my straw that came with it. This came with 2 straws and a something to clean it, and I don't know. So I'm just going to take my water and my that's for the thumbnail. Productive day in the life, whatever. Okay, so we're going upstairs now. Doctor's gonna call in just a few minutes. I'm already logged into the website. That's good. She wet my desk.